Hello everyone, I am Hansika and today I am going to share my views on awareness of death causing disease coronavirus. कोरोना को हराना है, हाथ किसी से नहीं मिलाना है, हाथ किसी से नहीं मिलाना है। नमस्ते कर कर काम चलाना है, नमस्ते कर कर काम चलाना है। बचाव ही इलाज है, यह समझना है। कोरोना से हमको नहीं घबराना है, नहीं घबराना है। मिलकर कोरोना को हराना है, मिलकर कोरोना को हराना है। हमें घर से कहीं नहीं जाना है, कहीं नहीं जाना है। लॉकडाउन को सफल बनाना है, देश हित में यह कदम उठाना है, देश हित में यह कदम उठाना है। बराबर हाथों को साबुन से धोना है, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करना है। दिखा दो यह है हिंदुस्तान, दिखा दो यह है हिंदुस्तान। टूटेगा कोविड-19 का अभिमान, टूटेगा कोविड-19 का अभिमान। घर में रुककर मत हो बेचैन, घर में रुककर मत हो बेचैन। तोड़ो कोविड-19 की यह चेन, तोड़ो कोविड-19 की यह चेन। Coronavirus has spread all over the world. Lots of countries have faced a negative impact of this disease. Now, in our country, India, cases are increasing day by day with a very high speed. But with that, recovery rate is also good. Rapid recoveries are going on due to the great work of our doctors, our lifelines. We should not fear in this extremely difficult time. We all should take all the preventive measures at our homes and should follow all the guidelines and instructions given to us by the government, as they always think about our good. Coronavirus, which is commonly called as COVID-19, is an infectious disease. It is very small virus, but most harmful virus ever. In fact, nowadays we are listening about black fungus and white fungus, which are very dangerous for especially those who are already suffering from COVID-19, so that who have recovered from COVID should also take care of them. And if they see any kind of symptom like all-time headache, bleeding from nose or a little fever, then they should consult their doctors fastly, as they can become the patient of this fungus also. But generally, this fungus affects the people who are having low immunity power and who are already suffering from diseases like diabetes and cancer, etc. COVID-19 first identified during December 2019 in Wuhan city of China. From 1.5 years, we all are suffering a lot of problems in our lives due to this. We have never thought of a time like this before, but now we should stay smart and wise. The most common symptom of this death causing disease are fever, cough, shortness of breath, cold, bleeding from nose, etc. In March 2020, the World Health Organization WHO declared the COVID-19 outbreak a pandemic. Its spread ratio is very high. COVID-19 disease causes a respiratory infection in humans. COVID-19 disease affects different people in different ways. It is seen that people with good immunity do not face much issues. Hence, we all must improve our immunity by having balanced diet, including green vegetables, salads and fruits in our daily life. Apart from this, yogurt, tulsi leaves, garlic, turmeric, etc. also boost our immunity power. It is also seen that immunity boosters like garlic, etc. give best results when they are consumed raw or uncooked form. We should also engage ourselves in some physical activities or yoga for fitness. Staying away from stress and taking enough sleep is also very necessary nowadays. This is great opportunity for all of us to spend the quality time with our family. You all should follow the important ways to slow down the spread of this disease. Like, you should wash your hands frequently and carefully after every hour. Avoid touching your face. Stop shaking hands and hugging people for now. Don't share your personal items with anyone else. Always cover your mouth with mask. Clean and disinfect surfaces. Follow social distancing seriously. Keep sanitizing yourself after every half hour. And do not gather in groups. And stay strong always. Really, it's very important important to have a positive mindset during any pandemic, as COVID led a lot of negative impact on trade and commerce. We all are very tensed about our future, but as we all know that God always thinks something good for us, we should stay protected and keep patience. Everything will be fine soon. Keep praying for the word. We should be thankful to our government, healthcare workers, police officers, etc., who are putting their lives in danger to save thousands of lives. We should keep spreading good vibes all around. Vaccination has also been invented, so we all should get vaccinated as soon as possible to kill this disease. I wish you all are safe, happy, and healthy. Stay positive and test negative. Go Corona. Thank you so much.